Hey y'all, we are on our way out, and I just wanted to do a OOTD. I have on my Marc Jacobs snapshot crossbody. I have this here Target sweater. I think I got this from Target. I think I got these here from Target. I think this is all Target, y'all. And then I have my love necklace on. And I'm about to wear my boots my son got me from Dubai. He went, and I'm about to put on. And we are on our way to the main event. To go bowling and whatever else. So of course I'm gonna bring you all along. So I will see you when we get there. And then with my daughter, I'll see you when we get there. Bye you all. Hey y'all, it's music playing. Oh, that means I will not be able to vlog without playing music over our vlog. So I'm about to put my shoes on, go to the bathroom, and I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, y'all, I have to put out a disclaimer. Your girl cannot play pool, so don't come for me. Okay, y'all, I'm here to do a really quick Trader Joe's haul. And I picked up a few things. I did get some new things, so I will be showcasing this here in this haul. So I'm gonna just grab out the bag. I'm not gonna go in any particular order. Got these here, everything but the bagel seasoned kettle chips. These here are new, so hopefully they taste good because I do like the seasoning. So yeah, I got these here. I got these. These here are a repurchase. These here are the Jalapeno Puffs. And like I said, these here are really, really good if you like spicy food. Again, this here is another repurchase. These here are some corn chips. And I think this is no, this may, I'm not sure. I think I may have purchased this when I was in Covington. And this here is the Southern Chopped Salad. And it's a salad kit. And then I got these here apples because I plan to use these here in my air fryer. So yeah, I got some apples. And then y'all, I was so happy that they had some cotton candy grapes. I like the Trader Joe's cotton candy grapes because they are a flat fee, which is $3.99, because usually they run like almost $8 at other grocery stores. So yeah, this here was $3.99. This here is a new item. This here is the Trader Joe's organic sparkling lemon and strawberry apple cider vinegar beverage. So yeah, I got this. I will be letting y'all know how this here tastes. And y'all know I had to get my favorite lemon thin cookies, y'all. I told y'all these here are so delicious. When you eat one, you cannot stop. You just can't have one. I'm gonna tell you that right now. You just can't. You can't. I could be wrong, but you can't. Moving on to this. This here is new for me, but not new to Trader Joe's. This here is the Trader Joe's organic vodka sauce. It's new. I never tried this before, so hopefully it's good. I'll show you what I'll be using this for. On this here is the soft mangoes. And this here is new. This here is the fruit and yogurt gummies. I got these for my daughter, but of course I'm gonna taste at least one. This is what I plan to use with the sauce. And then I also got this. Let me show you. These here plant-based meatballs. So this is what I plan to use this with. So yeah, I wanted to try that. So I may keep these out and cook that tomorrow. And moving on to my next new item. This here is some new seasoning. And this here was $1.99. It has garlic, onion powder, salt, lime oil, lime juice, red pepper, bay leaves. I got this, so hopefully it'll take on to my last item. Well, my last bag. He ain't overpack these bags, because sometimes these Trader Joe's employees can like overpack the bags. I got this here chicken burrito bowl. We got this last time and my daughter said she really liked this, so I got her another bowl. We got these here pizza. You know what? I ain't even get the pepperoni. Damn it, I wasn't even paying attention, but yeah, we like these a whole lot. Something quick and easy. First I had to get my famous chicken fried rice. These here are hands down one of my favorite french fries. And I had to get this here apple blossom. This here is like a late night treat. I got these here fettuccine alfredo. Add chicken with this. So yeah, hopefully this tastes good. This is also new. Of course, I couldn't leave Trader Joe's without my strawberry mochi. Last but not least, this here is for me. This here is the Sriracha shrimp bowl. This here is another new item. Never tried this before. So yeah, show you the last two items. And then I went to Target and I got some half and half. I don't normally buy this, but I wanted to try it because lately my creamer hasn't been foaming, like giving you that thick foam. So I was like, okay, maybe let me try some half and half. This new Nespresso pods, they are now selling them at Target. So yeah, I got this, you all. So hopefully this tastes really good. But I have a favorite of mine that I get off of Amazon, because Amazon has next day shipping. Got some milk. I have what I'm getting ready to do is I'm gonna go ahead and put all this stuff up. I may film another video showcasing my pantry, because I did tweak a little things in my pantry area, and y'all that was a highly requested video. So if you see these clothes on, if you see me wearing these clothes, then you know I film mine. Well, yeah, anyway, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and end this here video, this here really quick Trader Joe's haul. Please give this video a big thumbs up, because you know it helps out my channel. And with that being said, don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell, so y'all can be notified each week when your girl uploads videos. And until next time, I will talk to you later.